This is a simple and fast review of the AivaToba 76-in-1 Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Set. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get this little case out of its box, you'll have instructions on how everything works in there, and kind of how the T concept works. Be aware, I think it's German and English that you'll have. Anyway, cute little toolkit here, easy for portability. Note that one side, it's not a same side, it's one side on each here. May slightly move around during shipping, so we're gonna have to kind of figure out exactly all the positions. Challenge is that it's kind of magnetic, so that's where you know, a lot of this is happening, is the magnet capabilities kind of pull things. So just be aware of that. Once you get it set up, it should be fine. I'm going to go ahead and just get it all organized real quick. All right, so thankfully they are color coordinated. I'm not sure if you can kind of tell, but there's an organizational function, and there are also kind of labels to kind of tell you where, you know, like flatheads go, where it's going to be like a screwdriver or like a Phillips head screwdriver and whatnot. Anyway, the concepts are pretty simple here. This is going to be the main tool, and it's going to just be a simple kind of ratchet. Switches sides based on this. If I want to make it just a regular, I can literally remove these on either side for convenience. So there's a lot of flexibility there. And or just like as a placeholder, if I know I'm working with multiple pieces, I can kind of actually just put them in and then utilize them, and then have the main one go in and be able to adjust as needed. So that's a really nice feature. And of course, as mentioned, these kind of pop off, so just be aware that you may have to adjust on that, and they should be organized by size, which we can see. There is an additional piece that you can kind of plug in for this part. Sorry. And there you go. So we'll go ahead and kind of show you this in use a little bit. Again, you have all kinds of different pieces that you'll try your best not to drop. This is kind of like a little magnet in there, and that's what I think got everything going. But anyway, I'm just going to show it in use. You can utilize a lot of different features, functions, and stuff like that. I'm going to show you just tightening up some stuff, whether it be screwdriver or ratchet or whatever. A lot of great portable functionality. Keep this in the car or whatever. So I'm going to just show you, I'm using the extension and just one of these. And I use this primarily for like garage work, where I'm tightening up things that, you know, these get pretty loose over time. And so sometimes it's just important to kind of go through and tighten them up. Now, one thing you do have to do is kind of make sure that as you tighten this stuff, sometimes you'll pull back and it will, it'll just pull the magnet off of here, and this will stay on, so just be aware of that. But overall, you can just use your kind of finger there, as kind of demonstrated here, and disregard my ugly garage. I'm just kind of showing you the point of this more than anything else, that it does a nice job of tightening these up as they get loosened over time. So having this in my garage makes it super easy to just go through and quickly just check all the individualized pieces. And you know, I have lots of them, so you know, they kind of accumulate. It's all the same nut, but that's an example right here where it's just really loose, and so tightening it up is really important. And I'm sorry if I'm kind of not doing a great job of showing you kind of what this looks like, but to me, this thing is awesome. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you understand kind of the purpose and concept here. Again, that's an example of it kind of sliding off. But overall, this thing is still amazing to me. Just simple, much easier when it's doing with two hands as opposed to the one. Everything kind of stays in place a little bit better. But definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you, and thanks for watching.